Spring is finally upon us, and I'm kicking it off the very best way I know how. I'm pointing the FJ towards the Blue Ridge Mountains with a very good friend of mine who also happens to drive the same car. We did some off-roading to get back to this quiet mountain stream we called home for the night. We cooked dinner out of the back of the rig and capped things off with a campfire jam session underneath the stars. You're going to want to make sure you stick around for this one. It's the first trip I have lined up for a summer full of adventure and road trips. So make sure you come along for the ride by hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Time to make my bed.
Gotta get in flow state. Gotta get in flow state, and we were. I just gotta get used to playing this thing again. I've been playing the